Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Priya Sharma and I am so glad to see you again. In today's video, let's try our hands at watercoloring on stamped images. And for watercoloring, I'll be using the DOMS brush pens. So without any further ado, let's get started. For the card panel, I'm using a 300 GSM watercolor paper from Canson, Montval. To make the focal point of a card, I'm using the Happy Thoughts stamps from Little Birdie. Placing the card panel in a stamp positioner, I am stamping the butterfly image using the Versafine black ink. Make sure that you use a waterproof ink for stamping. Now let's get started with watercoloring. I'm using the DOMS brush pens and a water brush. So the technique here is to just apply the desired colors in small sections of the image and then using a water brush blend the colors. You can also create a gradient effect of dark to light colors by simply adding water. It's very easy and convenient to use a water brush. Since the barrel of the brush is filled with water, you don't need a separate glass of water for painting. On applying very light pressure, the water flows to the tip of the water brush. Before you switch between colors, make sure to clean the water brush tip on a tissue paper. Continue blending the colors to get a beautiful and smooth look. Next, I'll stamp a sentiment on the panel from the same stamp set. And this time, instead of layering our card panel with a blue cardstock, I'm going to color the edges of the panel with a blue brush pen. I'm just going to make a very thin border around the cardstock to give an illusion of dimension and matting. This is a very good trick to use when you do not have a matching cardstock. Now let's glue our panel on the card base. To enhance the look of the card, I'm using the pearl powder from Craft Junction. Using a dry brush, apply the powder over the butterfly to give a soft glittery shine. I'm not sure if you can see the glimmer here in this video, but if you did catch the glimmer, let me know in the comments. And in the end, to adorn the card, I'm adding some self-adhesive crystal gems. And this completes our card. So I hope you liked today's video. Take a look at some more inspirational cards linked for you at the end of this video. Please show your love and support through likes, shares and comments. And if you're here for the first time, please consider subscribing. I'll see you soon in my next video. Take care and bye for now.